Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, an East Coast storm on Wednesday appears to draw a little closer here, which means some accumulations of snow on the way. Not a blockbuster or a major storm, but more snow, unfortunately, as we check out live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. Clouds have rolled in, but it is dry after some bonus sunshine today, getting temperatures well up into the 40s. It was nice because the sunshine this time of year is getting strong and not as much wind today, so it felt pretty good. We're quiet right now despite the clouds rolling in, and certainly heading out this evening, we're not anticipating any problems as far as snow or rain, but watching yet another storm. We were hinting at this last night, though it looked like most of it, or the bulk of it, was going to stay out at sea, and it still looks like the worst of the storm will in fact stay out at sea, but still drawing close enough to give us some snow. We'll talk about the when and the how much in just a second. And finally, a change in the weather pattern by the end of the week and the weekend. In downtown Providence, some clouds working in at 42 right now. The south breeze at 10, humidity coming in at 62%. Most locations are still well into the 40s. Coast Guard House in Narragansett at 42, Bank Newport 44, Emerald Bay Manor in Cumberland at 48 degrees, 41 Pawtucket, 39 Newport, and Groton, New London, Westerly area coming in at around 40. All right, here's the situation. You can see moisture just south of New York City. The green is in the form of rain, so it wouldn't surprise me if we have some raindrops mixing in initially as this precipitation works in, but probably not until well after midnight. Here's the wider view. The blue represents the snow, the developing storm system offshore, which again will pass far enough out to sea so that it's not a direct hit, but unfortunately close enough to give us the precipitation and some accumulation. So here's how it works out for this evening. Cloudy skies, but dry. 11 o'clock will drop off to 36. Then overnight tonight, much later tonight, a light mixture of both rain and snow. Temperatures dropping through the mid-30s. Light snow showers during the morning commute. The kids heading out to school, temperature around 35 degrees. And then during the afternoon, light snow becomes a little steadier later in the day towards the evening hours. The wind picking up, temperatures above freezing. So I'm not expecting initially a lot of this to stick to the ground, at least during the daylight hours. But as it gets colder tomorrow night, better chances for it to stick. We're thinking 1 to 2 inches of snow, but as much as 2 to 5 in this area shaded in light blue. Check back with us at 10 and 11 o'clock for updates, as it wouldn't take much of a jog in the storm track to take this 2 to 5 band and put it on top of the Providence metro area. But here's the snapshot right now. As new information comes in tonight, we'll kind of fine-tune that accumulation forecast. But temperatures tomorrow a good 10 degrees colder than what we had today, with afternoon highs only in the mid to upper 30s with wind and some steady snow likely. All right, when does it get better? Well, by Thursday afternoon, we'll see some breaks of sun at 39. Much better on Friday. Super nice weekend. Sunshine, much like what we had for a portion of this afternoon. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, so very comfortable, and overnight lows in the upper 20s. So we get through the bump in the road tomorrow, then better weather the rest of the week at WPRI.com to keep you updated on this storm system and your 7-day futurecast. I don't see a lot of accumulation during the day, but as we get towards